Hi, and welcome to gTrade. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to explain to you what is gTrade and some of the technologies behind it. gTrade is the next generation of security exchange. It allows you to invest in startup and emerging businesses online. This is everything from the IPO stage through to trading and all the way through to acquisition. gTrade is built on an open communication platform which allows free communication between companies and their investors. It also has transparency at the core of the system, requiring companies to produce financial reports like traditional markets to allow investors to make more informed decisions. And more importantly, gTrade enables everyone to invest in all emerging and startup companies which are traditionally locked off. So why is there a need for gTrade in the current market? Well, currently in the venture capitalist field, there's a large backlog of startups, and this is causing significant liquidity issues. It's also difficult to value these investments under generally accepted accounting principles, and there's plenty of missed opportunities simply because there's not enough funds. To raise these funds, it's also a long and difficult process involving costly legal fees. And more importantly, investments are closed to the average investor, usually only open to a select few. So how are we going about implementing gTrade? Predominantly, gTrade is a web-based trading platform built on a rich AJAX web client. This is using the jQuery platform. It's also built entirely on a new transactional system called DTS. It utilizes public data feeds and APIs, allowing third parties and general users to access their data, and also has private APIs to allow other parties to perform transactions on our system and do money transfers. We are also leveraging existing Web 2.0 technologies to enhance our platform. At the heart of gTrade is DTS, a distributed transaction system using native Java objects. It has an extreme level of parallelism and high availability. It also has extreme performance with over 100,000 transactions per second. And not only does it do all this, it's also financially systems compliant. You can check out DTS at obsidiandynamics.com. Next, I'd like to show you some screenshots. The first one here is of the dashboard, or the initial screen you see when you first log in. On this screen you get your updates, you get your stock quotes, you get your watch list, and all information in a single point. Next I want to show you is a drop-down menu when you click on the trade button. This allows you to do your buy, sell, view pending transactions, and view your current holdings. This next page is your typical buy transaction page. This is where you enter your stock code, the quantity, the price, and the valid duration of the trade. On the right hand side, information is loaded about the particular stock you're currently looking at. Thanks for taking the time to watch this brief introduction on gTrade, the next generation stock exchange for startup and emerging businesses. We look forward to giving you some videos and screencasts on the platform in the not too distant future. In the meantime, you can follow us on gtradenet.com, our blog at blog.gtradenet.com, or our Twitter page,